Why do we get it?
Wheelie, wheelie, wheelie!
He got me. There it is. I think it's
Chuk chuk!
Chuk chuk. Good one.
I'm gonna give Sammy some.
Chuk chuk. Chuk chuk. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Oh! Keep on doing the chasing.
Wheelie.
Oh, look at him. Look at this scratchy little belly.
I like to keep it steady.
I am. Now run around, Dad. I love this bit. It's like little dog along. Here he goes. Here he goes.
Don't stand still.
Okay, when he eats it all, keep chasing.
Can you reach that? Do you think? Keep it still. Mum, you should have filmed.
I'm keeping it still, just I'm filming all over the place. Yeah, he's got a couple more bits. Oh, Sammy, look at him. He's not even eating his.
I know, he's going slowly. So we've got to occupy Saki so Sammy can get some.
Get Saki off. There's still a little bit. There's more. There's more. Ooh, ooh. Keep running. Keep on. So excited for. Look at him. Did he get it?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.